Yeah, alright, here's the parts list. There's a half-horse motor, 110 volt, 220 reversible, whatever you want on it. 4-inch pulley, 5/8 inch inside hole, shaft hole, 2-inch hole on, or pulley on the alternator, I believe it is. So we got about a 2-to-1 overdrive there, and it'll be turning at about 3,400 and something. I ain't figured it out, but the motor turns 1,700 and something, so it'll be double that. And I had an old switch laying around, motor controller, just happened to have one. I knew an electrician. But anyway, there's some springs too there, and a couple of L brackets. I'm going to drill a 3/8 hole in that one, and a 3/8 hole in that one, and nail it down to the board. And I'm going to try it with wood base. It should work. Shoot, that's what we used when we was kids. And 2-inch long stove bolts, 3/8. Bolt the motor down, sink the heads and stuff. And there's the little stainless unit with a couple washers 4 inches long for the alternator. And washers and screws. But we'll be back. That's a 25-inch long fan belt. That's as short as I could get it. But I'm sort of compacting it here. But we'll be back. Alright, we have ignition. There's that motor, so you can get 220 there, open up that way, and you can reverse it. Or 110 there, and you can reverse it, make it go either way you want. I got it going the way the alternator is supposed to turn in the vehicle, so the air gets drawn in. Running pretty smooth. Took those L brackets and put them in, drilled a 3/8 hole there, raised it up a little bit. I got some springs here for tensioners. A couple of sheetrock screws in there. Stainless steel all thread. Took one of the bolts out and drilled through. That's the one I broke off. Just worked out good. But I haven't got no exciter on it yet or anything like that. So we'll be back. Motor doing alright. It sure was hard to hook up. It made the Chinese thing, you know, but it's making RPM, and they don't know what a 7/8 hole is, you know, so had to grind that all out, and the wires were in the way to put the connector in. But other than that, it seems to be alright. Got the BX in there, got it all hooked up, rotating the right way.